Have you ever looked at your skin and noticed sudden dark patches, redness, or uneven tone?
It happens slowly, but inside your body, a powerful chemical reaction is going on.
Your skin constantly fights sunlight, pollution, stress, and aging.
Dermatologists say these reactions create aging spots or liver spots on the skin.
These spots are not dangerous, but they show how your skin is struggling.
Deep inside your skin, there are tiny cells that produce a pigment called melanin. When sunlight hits your skin, these cells make more melanin for protection.
This excess melanin creates dark patches on your face, arms, neck, and even around the eyes.
But the biggest function of melanin is to protect your DNA from sun damage.
Without melanin, the sunlight would burn your skin within minutes.
After the age of 60, almost 90% of African American people start developing aging spots.
But the process begins much earlier, even in your 20s, and it happens faster if your skin is dry, unprotected, or damaged.
Dry skin loses its natural protection, making sunlight even more harmful. UV radiation enters deeper layers and activates inflammation.
This inflammation forces pigment cells to work overtime, causing darker patches. This can eventually lead to permanent discoloration.
Harsh soaps and chemical products strip away the skin barrier.
Bleaching agents and cheap lightening creams damage your skin cells. And once those cells are damaged, the dark patches return even stronger.
Your skin barrier protects you from bacteria, pollution, and UV rays.
When this barrier breaks, the skin becomes inflamed and melanin production shoots up. That's why dermatologists stress barrier repair, not bleaching.
Use a gentle, barrier-protecting moisturizer twice a day.
Never step outside without sunscreen even on cloudy days. Avoid random whitening creams, they cause long-term damage.
Drink enough water and keep your skin hydrated. If the dark patches keep spreading, consult a dermatologist for proper treatment.
Your skin is not just about beauty lab. It's your body's first line of defense. Protect it today, and it will protect you for the rest of your life.
If you found this helpful, share it. Someone needs this information. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more about health.